Abuela's Can con Chili Rojo. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 1 hour 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds beef chuck roast or bottom round, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or lard, to taste salt and black pepper, 6 pieces guajillo chilies, 2 pieces ancho chilies, 2 to 4 pieces chili de árbol, 2 cups boiling water, a half large white onion, 4 pieces garlic cloves, a half teaspoon ground cumin. Step 1. Begin by prepping your dried chilies. Wipe them clean, remove the stems, and shake out the seeds. For a milder sauce, ensure all veins are removed. Step 2. In a dry skillet over medium heat, lightly toast the chilies for 30 to 60 seconds per side until they become fragrant and slightly change color. Do not let them burn or they will turn bitter. Step 3. Place the toasted chilies in a bowl and cover with 2 cups of boiling water. Let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes until soft and pliable. Step 4. While the chilies soak, season the cubed beef generously with salt and pepper. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, heat the oil or lard over medium-high heat. Step 5. Sear the beef in batches to avoid crowding the pan. Brown the meat thoroughly on all sides, about 8 to 10 minutes total, to develop a deep crust. Remove the meat and set aside. Step 6. In a blender, combine the soaked chilies, 1 cup of the soaking liquid, the onion, garlic, cumin, and oregano. Blend on high until completely smooth. Step 7. Place a fine mesh strainer over the pot used for the beef and pour the chili sauce through it, using a spoon to push the liquid through and discarding the leftover skins and seeds. Step 8. Cook the strained sauce in the pot for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly as it deepens in color and seasons in the leftover beef fat. Step 9. Add the brown beef back into the pot along with the beef broth. The liquid should just cover the meat. Step 10. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover with a tight-fitting lid. Step 11. Simmer for 60 to 75 minutes or until the beef is fork tender and the sauce has thickened to a rich gravy consistency. Step 12. Taste the sauce and adjust the salt if necessary. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash more broth. If too thin, simmer uncovered for the last 10 minutes. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.